Crushable pantry items can be turned into effective all-natural ant baits when used properly and placed safely. For indoor ant control, start with crushed salty crackers as the toxic-free carrier because ants are attracted to simple carbohydrates and salts. Mix 1 part crushed salty crackers with 1 part honey or molasses to create a sticky, attractive bait that ants will carry back to the nest. If targeting sugar-preferring ants, substitute ground cinnamon for the salty crackers and combine with honey to exploit their olfactory attraction. Use small, shallow containers like bottle caps or folded paper cups to hold the bait so it does not spill and so pets and children cannot easily access it. Place baits along active ant trails, near entry points, and at wall junctions, checking daily and refreshing every 2 to 3 days or when dry. Keep humidity and cleanliness in mind, because overly wet bait will spoil and strong competing food sources will reduce uptake. Homeowners often set baits on countertops or low tables where children or pets can reach them, so move placements to high shelves or behind heavy furniture while still on the ant trail, and use barriers like furniture edges to restrict access. Always watch pets closely. Another common issue is using only repellents which scatter the colony rather than eliminate it, so combine attractive baits with localized cleaning of trails after bait removal to prevent re-establishment. People sometimes expect immediate disappearance. This process can take a week or more because workers must carry bait to nestmates, so be patient and continue refreshing bait until activity stops. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share practical home project tips like natural ant control. Our discussion community lets members exchange experiences, post photos, and ask questions so we can learn from each other and find help when needed.